Gonna learn how to make some slime.
Want me to make slime? There you go. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
What?
Messing up the counter.
Messing up the counter?
Yeah.
No way. This isn't gonna mess it up. I'm just gonna make some counter slime.
Yeah, right. Wilito.
What?
Yeah.
Counter slime.
Yeah.
I mean, it is kind of fun.
Is
It
it?
looks fun.
It does.
Yeah.
It
Until
is.
you mess up the counter.
Oh, I'm not paying for it. So it'll,
Don't have a bowl? No problem. Let's just make counter slime. There we
look
go.
at that. Baking soda always helps. See that?
Skipping us
No,
no,
that's
we
not.
don't need that.
Uh,
And we got table slime. Countertop slime.
Nothing comes up. Look at that.
You're not making it.
Mm-mm-mm.